Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Garden Birdhouses stamp set from Stampin' Up. You'll find it on page 96 of the Stampin' Up annual catalogue. I'm going to actually make that one right there in a different colourway. I'm finding that I'm using a lot more of the samples in the catalogue now for lots of the stamp sets that I haven't used for a while. They're such a great inspirations, and sometimes you can just change them up or copy them exactly. It doesn't matter, however you like to craft. So this is the stamp set, this is the card we're going to make, and I've used Pale Papaya as the base for the colour today. So let's bring in our piece of Pale Papaya cardstock. And we're going to do a little bit of stamping on the background there with the largest, that nice big, this lovely big branch here. So I'm just going to ink that up, and I'm going to put one in one corner down the bottom here. And then flip that over and do one coming down from the other opposite corner. So it's just so that we've got that peak of colour coming through there. And on a piece of thick basic white, I'm going to grab my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I'm going to run that through. I'm using one of the scallop layered dies. I'm just going to run that through. When I set it up properly. Love this little mini machine, so handy, so handy. There we go. And these scallop layered dies are so good, so versatile. Right, so let's stamp them off. That's that die cutting done. And I'm going to bring in this, I'm using all three of these stamps right here. So let's start with the polished pink one. Where have I put it? There it is. Right, so let's bring in the polished pink. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to stamp the sentiment in soft succulent. Because if I get that sentiment right, then I have the height of the birdhouses correct. So let's stamp that one first. So just at the top of the right there, right hand part of the paper. Go. And then with that soft succulent, I'll stamp in my middle one. Then that should give me the correct spacings for the rest of them, hopefully. So I'm just guessing the middle. And then Pale Papaya. End here. And then polished pink, the other end. There we go. And that's those ones done. Let's pop them out of the way so I don't get pink all over the place. We will use two of those stamps again in a couple of minutes to do the inside. That's the inside stamping, just a little bit more to carry it through. Now we're going to do the trunk in the same colours. So, oops, I might have that a bit dirty. Where's my Simply Chamois? Clean that off. Only thing when you're using the bright colours, I'm really scared I'm going to get ink where I don't want it. Now now the soft succulent. I really should. And now the pale papaya. Oops, still a bit dirty. Here it is. Pale papaya. Here we go. Let's do the inside stamping also while I've got that pale papaya out. So I'm doing pale papaya and the soft succulent. So probably would help if I have the card base, wouldn't it? It's just a half a sheet of A4 card, folded and scored in half. Right. Let's put the stamp on first. Doesn't matter where you put it, wherever you like. Oops, I've already managed to get a bit of ink on there. That was what I was trying to avoid. Oh well, never mind. It is, I think you can see where I was going with it. Let's just put that one on. We'll definitely have to fix that. There you go. And then I put the birthday wishes also in polished pink. So these are 3 colours that I've used, are actually in colours from last year. So they will disappear from the Stampin' Up colourway in May 2023. Gosh, it seems like a long time away, doesn't it? There we go. So not the best bit of stamping in there, but I'm sure you get the idea of what I was doing. So it actually looks like that. All right, so all we have to do now is attach these two. And I've got a little bit of the soft succulent ribbon, and just going to pop it on the back of this one. And I figure out where I've put my Stampin' Seal. This. I just wanted some ribbon on there. And this is my way of getting a little bit of ribbon. That will sit there like that. I should make it a little bit smaller, I think. Yeah, that's better. Let's put some dimensionals on the back of that one. Yeah, and then onto the base with dimensionals, I think. So I've put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below, and as I said at the top of the video, I used an example from the catalogue. So if you don't have a copy of the catalogue and you live in New Zealand and you don't currently have a demonstrator, I'd be more than happy to send you one. You can contact me via my Stampin' Up website in the contact me page, stampingmary.stampinup.net, that's MERRY, or you can send me an email, stampingmary@gmail.com, and I'd be more than happy to send out a copy of the catalogue to you. I'm using what am I using here? I'm using the brushed brass butterflies because they are super cute. Super cute. Yeah. felt like birdhouses and butterflies kind of go together really. And there you have it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy card with a copy from our catalogue. And there's the front and the inside stamping there. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me at stampingmary@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.